Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If the buttons on your TM31 are not responding at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue usually arises due to wear and tear or a malfunctioning component. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage or even complete failure of the device, making it unusable. To get started with the repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a plastic spudger or opening tool, some tweezers, and a replacement button panel. First, let's safely open the Thermomix TM31. Begin by unplugging the device to ensure your safety. Use the screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back. Once the screws are out, gently use your spudger to pry open the casing, taking care not to damage the clips that hold it together. As you open the device, you may notice the internal components. The part that typically fails is the button panel, which can easily be identified as the section where the buttons are located. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it fully. Be gentle when pulling on the connectors to avoid any damage. Once you have located the button panel, carefully lift it out using your tweezers. When replacing it, align the new button panel properly and press it down until it clicks into place. Make sure all connectors are reattached securely. When reassembling, pay attention to the screws, they typically require a moderate force to avoid stripping them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you have successfully replaced the button panel, close the casing by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click. Replace the screws at the back to secure everything in place. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and test the buttons to ensure they are now functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to keep the device clean and avoid exposing it to moisture. Regular maintenance can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.